In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website private. Whether you're still in the process of designing or simply wish to take your site offline temporarily, these steps will help you seamlessly transition your site to a private status. Getting started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Go ahead and head straight to your site's dashboard once you're in. This will be your central hub for controlling the aspects of your site. Now that you've reached the dashboard, you're going to look out for and click on Design Site. This is where you pull all the strings to customize and control the overall look and feel of your Wix site. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to your Wix website editor. You'll find the website editor loaded with tools and options, all designed to make site management intuitive and straightforward. Familiarity with the editor will make these steps painless and easy to remember for future adjustments. As you're in the website editor, draw your attention to the top of the page where you see the Publish button. This button typically handles making your site live and visible to the public. But what we're interested in lies right beneath it. Hover your mouse over the Publish button, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. Don't be overwhelmed by the options that pop up. It's quite simple. We're looking for just one specific option. In the drop-down menu that appears after hovering, you will see an option labeled Unpublish. This is the setting we need to change in order to make sure your site goes private. Selecting Unpublish works almost like flipping a switch. It will take your site offline and ensure that it is no longer accessible to the general public. Doing this doesn't delete any content or settings you've configured. Everything will remain intact and ready to go live again whenever you decide the time is right. And that's it. You have successfully made your Wix website private. Remember, this process is entirely